Hi and welcome, this is Eleni and I have another flip through video for you today. But before that I want to create something on the back cover of this journal, and as I have used colored pencils on the front cover, I'm also going to use those on the back. To make it more interesting for you, I have put a link in the description box to a free printable sketch of today's girl that you can download, print and come and play along with me, even if you are not confident drawing. And you don't have to use colored pencils, use whatever art supplies that you have. The flip through of this art journal starts at 7:04 if you want to hop over directly. And in this journal I have a lot of pages that are creations for art challenges and for workshops like Gods and Monsters workshop by Jane Davenport and Kaleidoscope 2023 and 24 by Willowing. And some of them are prompts from daily art challenges inspired by Halloween and Frida Kahlo. And furthermore, there are pages inspired by some of my favorite online artists, Jane Davenport, Tamara Laporte, Jenny Mano, Shalon's art. Hope you'll enjoy the flip through and hope you come along and play with me creating today's face and maybe even learn something. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them below. Now, if this video is too fast for you, you can easily slow it down with only 3 clicks. Find out how to do that in the description box. If you appreciate my videos and want to support my channel, there are some easy ways to do that. You can like and comment under them, subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.